In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set Chrome as default on Windows 11. If you want every link you click to open in Google Chrome automatically, setting it as your default browser is the way to go. This keeps your browsing consistent and saves you from constantly switching windows. First, open Settings. The quickest way is to press the Windows key and the letter I together on your keyboard. You can also click the Start button and choose the gear-shaped Settings icon, or type Settings into the search bar and open it from there. Any of these will take you to the same place. Once Settings is open, click Apps. You'll find it in the left-hand sidebar. This section controls how Windows handles installed applications and their permissions, preferences, and defaults. Next, click Default Apps. This page is where Windows decides which app opens different kinds of files and links, such as email, music, photos, and web pages. Think of it as the control center for what happens when you double-click something or follow a link. In the search box on the Default Apps page, type Google Chrome. This search helps you jump straight to Chrome's default settings without scrolling through a long list. When you see Google Chrome appear in the results, click it to open its preferences. You'll now be on a page dedicated to Chrome's file and link associations. At the top, click Set Default. This single button tells Windows 11 to use Chrome for common web-related items, including web links that start with HTTP or HTTPS, and file types like .htm and .html. It's the most efficient way to switch everything over in one step. That's it. Chrome is now your default browser. From now on, whenever you click a link in an email, a document, or another app, it will open in Chrome automatically. A couple of quick tips in case you don't see what I showed. If the Set Default button doesn't appear, make sure your Windows 11 is up to date, as newer versions simplify this process. If Google Chrome doesn't show up when you search for it on the Default Apps page, you'll need to install Chrome and then come back to these settings. Also, if Chrome prompts you inside the browser to make it the default, you can always use that prompt. It simply takes you to the same Windows setting. You're all set. Enjoy a smoother, more consistent browsing experience with Chrome as your default on Windows 11.